Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly for academic writing. If you're a student, researcher, or anyone working on scholarly papers, this tutorial will help you polish your writing to meet academic standards using Grammarly's powerful tools. Start by opening a browser window and head to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials now. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to Grammarly's dashboard. This is your main workspace where all your documents and writing projects are stored. You might need to wait a moment for everything to load, especially if you have several documents saved in your account. Once you've successfully signed in and your documents have loaded up, it's time to access your academic writing. To use Grammarly for academic writing, start by locating the left side menu on your dashboard. Click on Docs from here. This section displays all the documents you've created or uploaded to Grammarly. From the list that appears, select the document you wish to use for academic writing. Simply click on it to open it in the editor. You will now be directed to Grammarly's editor page, which is where the magic happens. This is the main writing interface where you can compose, edit, and refine your academic work. From the editor page, look at the right side panel. You'll notice several tools and features designed to help improve your writing. To score your paper and get academic-level suggestions, click on the Paraphraser tool. This feature is incredibly useful because it gives suggestions based on the specific category you wish to have your article or document written in. You'll see several options to choose from, including humanize, academic, professional, streamlined, creative, or simple. Each of these categories tailors the tone and style of your writing differently. From the list provided, click on Academic. This selection tells Grammarly to analyze your text and provide suggestions that make your document or article sound more academic and scholarly in nature. The tool will immediately begin offering rewrites and improvements that align with formal academic writing standards, helping you maintain the appropriate tone and structure expected in scholarly work. And that's it. You've successfully configured Grammarly to assist you with academic writing, ensuring your papers meet the standards required for essays, research papers, and other scholarly documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.